Okay, today we're trying to find missing angle measures in multiple triangles. So right now I have three total triangles. I have the big one, FOD. I have a smaller one, FO, highlight that out, come on, OG. And I have another smaller one, DOJ. So the question I'm asking is, what is this missing angle measure up here? And when we first look at it, there really is no way for me to figure that out by traditional methods of knowing that there's 180 degrees in a triangle, so I need to subtract because I only have one angle measure. I don't have two. If I had two, then I could do that. So let's look at the other triangle. I have two angle measures here. So if I add those two up and then subtract from 180, I can figure out at least what this angle is. So even though that's not my final answer, maybe it'll give me a clue. So that's what I'll do. I'll add up 23 and 35, and I get 58. So they together equal 58. I then take that 58 and I subtract it from 180 because I know that every triangle has to have 180 degrees, and I already used up these two. So now I'll subtract, and I get 122. So angle DGO equals 122 degrees. Well, I'm glad I figured out something, but I'm still not there yet. And it doesn't look like I can figure out this triangle still because I don't have my two angles from my triangle. But as I look over here, I notice that this is a straight line. And I remember how many degrees are in a straight line. There are 180 total degrees. And I already used up 122. So I can subtract 180 minus 122, and I get 58 degrees. That means that angle OGF is equal to 58 degrees. Okay, that's better, but I still don't have my question mark. But I do now have two angles, 58 and 42. So now I can go and figure out this angle by adding this angle plus this angle, and then subtracting from 180. Let me make that a little bit neater. That was a sloppy 5. So 58 plus 42 is 100. So now I have 100, and I subtract from 180, and that equals 80. So my missing angle measure is 80 degrees. This is a little bit more complex than just the one-step method to finding a missing angle measure, but I know you can do it. Stick with it, persevere. Good luck.